Hello again, everyone. It's Josh here to once again optimize your 2023 Fringe indoor show experience. If you're here from last year, welcome back. The spreadsheet works more or less the same way. If you're new here, I'll go through it very quick. First off, I will say this year's was thrown together fairly quickly and is maybe a bit more clunky than last year. The Fringe is a bit bigger this year and causes the spreadsheet to run a little slower. And then first thing though is you'll need to open this file in Excel. It won't work on Google because it has macros in it. I promise the macro code is safe, and I so far have not had any luck in learning how to use the Google Apps system to use Google for this thing. I've also attempted to contact the Fringe to get them to perhaps integrate something like this into their ticketing system. No real response so far, but we'll keep trying. But quickly, getting to how this works. So, this spreadsheet is designed to help you optimize the number of shows you can see in a given day at the Fringe. It uses walking distance travel time between each venue to try and plan out your show or show schedule in the event you're going to the Fringe and want to watch a number of shows. So how it works is you select your first show of the day. They're all listed here alphabetically. And the idea is you pick a show that is kind of your first one of the day. I know I had requests on Reddit to make this like reversible and stuff. Unfortunately, I apologize that coding has not occurred. But anyways, once you select the first show, it will repopulate this list with what should be the show times of that show as of the publication of the printed guide here on August the 15th. So if things have changed, I'll have to issue a update. So you pick your first showtime. You'll see it's right here. I'm going to this Opera Mouse show because it happens to be the first show of the day on the 19th. And you say, I select the show, make a new schedule builder. And what it has done now is calculated out all of the shows it's theoretically possible for you to reach at the end of this show, and how much time you'll have walking, how much time for downtime, how much time you're in line. It will go tighter than the 30 minutes that the Fringe people recommend. So use this with caution, and you should absolutely verify everything with the official show schedule as you go before you buy the tickets. And the links to all those things are also featured in here just to do that. So guess to close, getting back into this, I'd pick my first show. Now I'm going to start picking subsequent shows and use this button over here to do that. And see, it chugs along a little more this year, but it does work. You add your shows to your show builder. It's just a sequential throughout the day and what you can reach. And then that is all added to the schedule builder tab, which is more or less just a copy and paste output, which you can then print to take with you on the day of the Fringe or use it to plan out your ticket buying. Again, you should verify everything through the official guide and through the official ticketing website before you trust this completely. Thanks for watching. Try this out. The link is in the description. You need Excel to use it. It won't work with Google. Thanks. Bye.